Today I want us to attempt this simple strategy again. I have an account of $208.79. I want us to attempt and make $150. So if you trade with $40 per stake and make $39, in 4 wins, we'll have made our target profit. So let's get started. On the left hand side, I'll have my Deriv bot. So let me click Deriv bot here. All right. And a quick strategy, no, not quick strategy. So I just wanted the default bot, and then I'm gonna import my last digit bot with martingale. Open. So this is the last digit bot, but we just added martingale to it. So yeah, on this right hand side, because it's on accumulators and you're not gonna trade accumulators, let's go to over under. So we always look for one to be we always look for one to be the most appearing digit, and then we go for under 5. So, and we also look for a market where one is not competing with any other digit. Okay, 1051S. Let's say 51S, 751S. So we first of all observe the pattern before we do any trades. So before that, let me just set my bot on this side. So right now we are on 751S. You can leave that as both, but make sure the trade type is over under. The digit to use is 0. The stake to use is 40. The prediction is 5. The initial stake is also 40, and the martingale is 2. So if we lose 40, it's going to trade with 80, and on and on. So I have explained before, this is just a text where we want to see the current digit. So from here all the way to here, and then this is the logic for the bot. So if last digit is equal to digit to use, then set the text to create the last digit, then show us the last digit before purchasing under 5. If it's not the same, so if the last digit is not 0, then just set criteria not met or digit not 0. And then on this end here, so the sell conditions, we don't have anything changed there, and then the reset condition, if result is lost, set stake to stake times martingale. So the current stake would be multiplied by 2, and then if we win, just leave the stake as the initial stake as 40. So that should be it. This seems also to have started competing with 9. I just saw 9 was the green bar there. And the pattern also doesn't seem favorable. It seems to be going to the over digits. Let's see. Yeah, it changed. So if this changes, we can always find another market. So it's not a must for us to do that. So I'll come here and just search for trading view, Deriv, this first one. Then as usual, go to 1 minute time frame, put our indicator as we need a William, we need a MACD, we need a moving average. And then now we just remain patient. So we'll need to come back to our bot. So if I change the market type, so for rise and fall, I like using what you call speed bots, and those ones you create them by just clicking on quick strategy and then martingale if you want one with martingale. So let's come here. Let me just come back here. Let me reset quick strategy. I just want this martingale. Yeah, rise and fall. So the contract type I want to use is rise and fall. That's okay. I don't trade indexes. Derived. Just delete that 101s. Before that, let's put our profit threshold is 150. Our loss threshold is we have 208. Takes is 1. Initial stake is 40. And then the size is the martingale in the speedboat. So this will create a speedboat for you, and then you'll see once we do that. So this is 101s. So what I'm waiting for something like this. You can come here on text. I'm waiting for something like this. They are joining, and then a fractal, and then a fractal. That's all I'm waiting for. So we'll have to find a market that has those two conditions met. Okay, that's 101s, 251s. So this one might be moving up. Okay, let's see. We can check the rest as we go on. So remember, we just need 3 consecutive wins and then we hit our target. 51s. We could even go with 72 times. So if we win twice, we've made the money. 39 times 2 is yeah, it's almost 80. Let's see, 78, 75 on S. This was a strong downtrend. Yeah, this would be a good one to enter for downtrend. This countdown to bar close. But I'm looking for a good confirmation. 101s. So it doesn't seem like we have any market. 101s. Nope. So we'll keep checking. If, for example, the time you go, nice. This is 251s. So very quickly, 25, 1s. Why is it 251s? Rise. So we're going for a rise. Yes, continue. Let's see. Come to transactions here. Let's say that it would have stopped itself, but that's okay. So we're just looking for two extra wins. So remember, we're going for a rise. So the board changes itself. So let's go again. So if we get one more, we are done. And that's it. That's it. I think we have reached it. So if you put a tight profit, that 361, no, 361 minus 150, that's 211. And I had to wait, and I had said I want $150. So it's time to go, gentlemen. I hope you've had a good one, but basically let me explain what I did. So I just found these markets here immediately after it had this adjoining had happened here. Okay, here. So we just found it here, there, and then we were on these we were on this green candle here. So the market was rising. So we just followed the trend. So we didn't do much. It's just trend following. That's what we did. So we found the trend going up, and then we just joined it. And you can see the moving average is also going up. So if you find such a market, and then you can see it's a strong rise. So I could even be trading right now, but for me, I have tight discipline. If I say today I want 150 and I make my 150, I bounce and go do other things. And that should be the same thing for you. If you're aiming for 150 and you make 150, just leave it there. Accept you made your money, then come tomorrow, try again, but always withdraw your money. Like right now, I'm gonna remove this 150 and leave it at exactly at 208 as it was, and then we start again tomorrow. So I hope you have learned something from this. You see, we started on over under. This is what I was trying to do, not rise and fall. You remember we started here over under because we were looking for an under 5 market, but that did not work out. So I did not like sit there and force it. No, I just went to something else. That's why if you have one or two other strategies that you know, it becomes easier for you, because if one of them is not working, you can do the other one. And always remember, for your deposits and withdrawals, money.moneyagg.com is here to service you. We are always there 24/7. Any issue you ever face while trying to use the application, just reach out to our support number 92673 So I'm sure somebody will be able to help you if you face any issue. There are guys like Bill, there is Anne, so there are quite a few guys who can be able to pick up your call, and we always make sure that everything goes smoothly for you. If there's any issue, they are the guys to help you. And going back to this, let me just delete this. So if you look closely, anytime there is this MACD and then there is a strong rise, you can see the strong red candles. Right now you're seeing it's turning, is fading away because the market is going down. And then you see, let me see if there was any candlestick pattern here. So the one that was forming there is this hammer, but I don't think that counts. But so long as you see the first, and you can even call these, let me find those lines. I'm looking for a trend line. Let me just find, yeah, sorry. I'm looking for this. So if you look at this, every candle is going above the other one. So the likelihood of, let me take it again. If you ever see these three candles going up and up, one, yeah, this one closed here, the other one closed here, because you know it's this is a rise candle. So a rise candle starts at the bottom here and then closes here. So this is the body, We just expand. This is the body, and then this is a wick. And then you see another candle, open within that candle and close at the top here. Close higher than this one. And then you see a third one that closes higher than that one. The fourth candle is always a green candle, and that is where we entered. So, gentlemen, we have made the amount we wanted to make for today. I wish you the very best as the day progresses. For those who will be seeing this later, or those who will be trying this strategy later, let me know on the comment section what you think about this strategy. Have you ever made money with rise and fall, or are you struggling with something on rise and fall that I could actually explain to you guys? See you around and have a good day.